I'm Mariah. I am a certified life coach. And I signed up for this course because I was looking for ways to optimize my business, to set up automations and get a system going so that I could have more free time and also expand my reach. And I actually stumbled upon this. I think Elle actually reached out, and it was like the rest was history. It was so perfectly like timed in my season that I'm in. And so I'm so grateful because I learned so many valuable things, especially finding out my specific avatar. I've been really trying to get down on the specifics for so long, and she was able to really help me get clear on what that was. And what I've been trying to figure out for 6 years, we did it in 60 minutes. So I just have seen such awesome results. I have been overloaded with the amount of value, but she really she'll literally hold your hand and help you along the journey. And I just really appreciate all the time, effort, and energy that has gone into this challenge. And I 11 out of 10 recommend this program, especially if you are looking to set up systems, if you're trying to grow your business, trying to reach new clients and all that stuff. She's your gal. So thank you so much, Elle, and join right now.